Hi guys, so what we're doing today is we're going to be sitting outside and waiting for people to go by because Hallie's been acting up lately, been doing a bit of watchdog barking. So in order to eliminate that, I'm now going to sit outside and desensitize her to it. Yes. Good girl. So we need to learn to relax, Hallie, okay? There's no point your brain being always at 100 miles an hour. It's always really important to understand our dog's body language and what they're doing and the actions that they're taking and forecast any potential reactivity. There we go, we've got people over there, you can't see out of camera, just up there, walking their dogs. That's why she's looking over there now. Hallie? Yes! Good. Good girl. There we go. Wait. Yes, Hallie. Good. So, dogs work off two main emotions, comfort and survival. Yes, good girl. Well done. Good. Good. Look, over there. It's always important so that they can positively associate. So there's more dogs coming out now. Really good. Yes, good. Emotional regulation. That's all it's about. So you only want to do this for 5 minutes. That's more than enough exposure. It's nice out here today, isn't it? Nice and warm.